Welcome to the video series about the integration of SINAMICS G220 converter into the SIMATIC Process Device Manager. My name is Simona, and in this part we are going to have a look at one of the interesting features of the SINAMICS G220 FDI Device Package Basic, Identification and Maintenance. In this submenu, which is located under the Device menu, you have access to identification and maintenance data stored internally in each SINAMICS G220 frequency converter. This data helps to differentiate between similar drives across the whole network. First option, General Information INM0, displays the built-in manufacturer data like device ordering code, serial number, hardware and software revision and more. This data is read-only. The second option, Plant ID/Location ID INM124, provides the optional data as the frequency converter's task, plant location, date of installation, and additional information to help with identification or maintenance. This data can be edited as you can see it in our example. Well, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye.